Hi, you all. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Nisha. So today we are going to be talking about few random things that I've been obsessed with. ये past month में I have been really obsessed with few products, and not just from past 1 month. Okay, I've been trying these products from like past 2-3 months, but this month I realized कि मैं इन products को switch नहीं कर रही हूँ. I am only and only using these selective products. सो आई जस्ट थॉट लेट्स जस्ट कम एंड शेयर दीज प्रोडक्ट्स विद यू गाइस. काफ़ी ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट्स जो है वो बहुत ही बजट फ्रेंडली है. वेरी रैंडम थिंग्स दैट आई हैव बीन ऑब्सेस्ड विद. So let's just not waste any time and start the video. Let's start with some basic skincare, okay? और जब skincare की बात होती है, सबसे पहली चीज़ जो हमारे दिमाग में आती है is a good face wash, a cleanser, right? And the face wash cleanser that I've been obsessed with is this one from Foxtail. This is the Acne Control Cleanser. आप लोगों ने मुझे ये पहले भी यूज़ करते हुए देखा होगा in my previous videos. I absolutely love this face wash. I think this is one of the best cleansers that I've used so far. I have acne prone skin और ये face wash, this is the only one that I use during my nighttime routine. ये specifically मैं उसके लिए रखती हूँ because this has helped me so much in my acne. जब भी I get like an active acne, any random pimple that pops up, I use this, specifically this. I even carry this with me wherever I go. So this just dries out the pimple. I love the ingredients, everything. This works so well. So if you are somebody who's looking out for a cleanser like under budget, then you should definitely give this a try. If you have like oily skin, acne prone skin, or even like combination skin, this is going to work really well. Now, when we are talking about acne prone skin and oily skin, or probably somebody who has like redness all over their face, I am that person whose skin just turns out red. So this is what I love using. This is the toner from One Thing. This is the Centella Asiatica Extract Toner. Okay, जब भी मेरी स्किन ऐसी बहुत ज़्यादा रेड हो जाती है या इरिटेट हो जाती है, तो मैं ये ही यूज़ करती हूँ. दिस जस्ट calms my skin. So if you're somebody who has like acne prone skin, or you have redness or irritated sensitive skin, then this is genuinely going to work for your skin. And this has a lot of other benefits as well for your skin. So you can definitely check this one out. Next is this viral product that I'm sure you must have seen on the internet. And actually, internet made me buy this. This is the first spray serum from Dialba or Dalba. I am not sure how it's pronounced, but it's such a great product. I like using this before makeup and after makeup as well for that dewy finish. So this is only for that purpose. And other than that, मैंने ऐसा कोई स्किन में ऐसे कोई चेंजेस नहीं देखे आफ्टर यूजिंग दिस. सो आई एम नॉट श्योर कि ये क्या स्किन के लिए करता है, बट द ओनली थिंग दैट आई यूज दिस फॉर इज इसका जो इफेक्ट स्किन पर आता है, द ड्यूवीनेस, द जूसीनेस दैट दिस गिव्स. It's like amazing. All right, next I have this sleeping mask. I love the packaging of this product. This is from Clayco. This is their rice and sake sleeping mask. Absolutely obsessed with. इसको मैं रात में अच्छी तरह से लगाकर सो जाती हूँ. And the next morning I wake up with the softest skin, like a baby's butt. Like that soft skin. It's so good. अगर आपकी स्किन बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई है, ओके, if you feel that your skin is very dehydrated and dry, try the sleeping mask at night and just let me know your experience in the comments if you ever try this mask. Come back to this video, drop down your experience about this mask. Okay, this is that good. I love it. ऑल्सो जब कोई इम्पोर्टेंट इवेंट होता है या मुझे कहीं जाना होता है, मैं इसको रात में लगाकर सो जाती हूँ. मुझे ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस नहीं होता कि मेरी स्किन बहुत ज़्यादा डल लगेगी या ऐसा कुछ. ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा इफेक्ट देता है. देन आई हैव two of my favorite fragrances that I'm obsessed with. The first one is this one from Plum Body Lovin'. I am loving this so much. मैंने इतना खत्म भी कर दिया है. If you can see, almost about to end. I carry this with me everywhere. ये मेरे पर्स में ही रहता है हमेशा. Whenever I'm switching my purses, मैं इसको निकाल के दूसरे पर्स में डाल देती हूँ. But this is the only fragrance that I've been currently using. I really love how this smells. Okay, इतना अच्छा fresh vanilla fragrance. If you're somebody who likes vanilla, so you're going to definitely like this one. I also have tried the other products from the same range, vanilla range, the body oil, the body butter, and I have loved them. Also reviewed them in the past. सो डेफिनेटली आप अगर कोई इफ यू लाइक ऐसे स्वीट फ्रेग्रेंसेस, तो आप ये डेफिनेटली ट्राई कर सकते हो. दिस इज सो गुड. इट्स वेरी अफोर्डेबल and very small, so you can carry it anywhere. So next I have this body mist from Bath and Body Works. Now Bath and Body Works मेरा फेवरेट रहा है काफ़ी टाइम से, और मैं रिपीटेटिवली एक ही बॉडी मिस्ट ज़्यादा यूज़ करती हूँ. दैट हैज़ बिकम लाइक माई फ्रेग्रेंस, which is the Dark Kiss, if you guys have tried it. But I recently tried this new body mist from Bath and Body Works, and this is the sweetest song body mist. This is on the fruitier side. I've never been like a person who uses like very fruity smells, but this one has really mild fruity smell, a little bit of pineapple-ish kind of the smells. But this is such a good fresh fragrance. I am very sure if you are somebody who likes, you know, those fresh kind of fragrances, then you are going to like this one. मैंने बहुत ही कम अभी तक यूज किया है, बिकॉज ये बहुत ही ज्यादा लॉन्ग लास्टिंग है. लाइक यू जस्ट नीड वेरी लिटिल ऑफ इट एंड दिस गोज अ लॉन्ग वे. और आई हैव बीन यूजिंग दिस फ्रॉम पास्ट ऑलमोस्ट अ मंथ, एंड ये इतना ही खत्म हुआ है. लाइक 2 spritz एंड आई एम गुड टू गो. So this one is really good that I'm trying recently. बाथ एंड बॉडी वर्क्स के कोई भी प्रोडक्ट्स ऐसे नहीं हैं जो कि नहीं अच्छे लगते मुझे, बट दे आर ऑन द प्राइसियर साइड. इसीलिए आई ट्राई टू ओनली get the things that I think are going to be worth it. Next, I have my current favorite hair oils. Now, if you've been following me, you know which oils am I talking about. These are from Juicy Chemistry. This is the jojoba oil and pumpkin seed oil. Now, these oils have great benefits for your skin, hair, body, everything, like everything. I am using these oils from past, I guess, more than 6 months. I have emptied couple of bottles and these are the new bottles. ये भी खत्म होने आ गई हैं. So I only talk about the products which genuinely worked for me. So these are the oils that definitely worked for me. I also like using this jojoba oil randomly like a serum after my hair wash, or ऐसे भी like generally रात को सोते टाइम पे I just take like 1 to 2 drops and I apply it all over my length और मैं सो जाती हूँ. So what this does is this is going to prevent your hair from breakage, and it is going to make your hair shinier. It's going to keep them nourished. Every single night, if you start doing this, you'll notice a difference. And on some days, I also use like a couple of drops. I mix it with my body lotion and I apply it all over my body. So I really like how hydrating they are. You can do your own research and you can check out the benefits of these oils. And the brand that I would recommend personally to try is Juicy Chemistry. आप यहाँ से कोई भी oils ले लो, they have really worked for me. So you can check out this brand. Then I have two of my current favorite lip products. First is this lip and cheek tint from Etude House. This is the water tint. This is also known as the dupe for the Benefit original lip and cheek tint. This is so good. Okay, it gives the most natural looking lips, pink lips and cheeks. I love it. I have this lip oil from Nykaa. This is the lip glaze in the shade cherry custard. Okay, this looks very nice, everyday sort of a lip balm where you don't want to like apply anything. You don't want to do makeup, you're going to the gym or probably market anywhere and you just want something on your lips. You can use this one. This looks very nice and gives you that juicy plum effect on your lips. So I really like this one. If you want something which is tinted and is not a lipstick, you can try this. So coming to the random things that I have been obsessed with, the first one has to be my tumbler. Okay, I will link down all the products below. This is a huge tumbler with my name on it. Look how cute is this, right? And I've realized that since I got this tumbler, I have been drinking more water. It's just girl math, okay? Like, don't come to me saying, what is this? Just don't come. Okay, it's just girl math. I really like the color. They have like various colors available, and it's just very nice. I carry it with me to the gym, and I just carry it with me in my house everywhere, wherever I'm sitting. Jokes apart, when I have this tumbler with me, I drink more water. I refill this, and I know how much water I'm drinking. I'm able to keep a track of how much water I drink. Okay, next I have this tiny, very useful product. Okay, this is something that I carry with me everywhere if I am traveling for like longer. duration. I carry this with me. This is India's number one roll on for headaches. Okay. I'm somebody who struggles with bad headaches, and somebody suggested me to try this. I gave it a shot and I absolutely loved it. तब से this has been like my go-to. जब भी headache होता है, I apply this and go to sleep. But this is very useful. Okay, this actually works. Zandu balm and then other balms, they have never worked for me, but this did. So yes, it's like very very useful. And lastly, I have a book recommendation for all the book lovers, readers out there. If you are into like suspense novels, books, then you have to try this one. I'm pretty sure ab tak to padhi li hogi if you are into suspense books. The Housemaid. Okay, I read it like last month and I loved it. It's so good. Flipped my mind. I loved the plot twist. I have been recommending this book to everybody since then. Loved it. Amazing. Try करके देखना. बताना मुझे कैसी लगी. ज़्यादा बड़ी बुक भी नहीं है. Hardly 300 pages की बुक होगी. Such great twist. It will keep you hooked. Okay. So if you're looking for something with good plot twist, which is going to keep you hooked, you should definitely try this book out. And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you were able to spot your favorite product in the video, then let me know in the comments. Or if you have been obsessed with some other products that you guys want me to try, then let me know. I will definitely try out those products. And I will link all these products in the description box. So bhulna mat, check those out. And I will see you guys soon with another video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it. Bye.